Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. My name is Albert Tan from downloadsilo.com. Today's session is actually called the Ultimate AI Writing Experience Using Rytr, RYTR. This is a new AI writing assistant that helps you generate high quality content for blogs, advertisement, email, social media, and more in just a few seconds and at a fraction of the cost. So this is the tagline that Rytr has written for themselves. So why do we want to use Rytr when there are so many established AI writers in the market? I have listed down here, there are so many, 13 of them, and actually more are coming. So Shortly AI number 1, Conversion AI number 2, Copy AI number 3. So in no particular order actually. So and all of this, and I've tried all of them. So today we are going to try this AI writer called RYTR. So is this the ultimate AI writer that we are talking about? So the topic that we are going to talk about is three. Number one is how to write short form content using Rytr. Number second, how to write long form blog post / content or article using Rytr. And the last one is our highlight of our session is how to write freestyle using the free flow long form editor in Rytr, actually without even using command. So without further ado, we will cover these three topics in our session today. Let's go to the first topic, how to write short form content using Rytr. So let's go into the account, and this is my account of Rytr, and this is the editor. No, they have a very simple editor, clean and so-called white editor, and you can select your language. They have about 23 languages right now. I think they are going to increase the number of languages as well. And you can set different tone for different occasion. For example, you can use convincing, casual, maybe humble, funny, formal, whatever. Just choose from these 20 tones that while you're writing. As usual, the most of the AI writer in the market have established a lot of short form content using template or use cases. We call it here use cases. Some people call it template. They have about maybe 20 plus templates over here or use cases over here. And I'm going to try to use maybe three simple one in order not to waste time. So let's dive in. And I would like to choose an email. Okay, for us to write this email content inside this Rytr, we have to give them some input. Over here, for example, you can give up to 250 characters. I have prepared this input, and we can always copy and put here and start writing. So over here, you have three variant, or two variant, one variant. If you want to generate more variant, you just repeat pressing right for me. So let's see what we have after writing. Maybe we should say we want three variant, and we say right for me now. The output will come up pretty fast, and now it's working behind the scene. Okay, it asks us to write again. Maybe some error behind. Doesn't matter. Just try again. Sometimes AI, or maybe the server got problem. Let's see what it have. Just wait for a few seconds. Hopefully, it will come up with some good content. Take longer than normal. Okay, it's out. So just now we have actually selected three variant, and these are the output. So every output they are separate by a dash. So let's see what they have. Subject title, or maybe what they call this content. Jack, welcome to Download Silo. Thanks so much for joining Facebook group. As a special welcome, we wanted to let you know some of our free lifetime deal that we offer. I will list them below so that you can take a look. We are always looking for new members to join in and share their experience with us. Welcome. Project management, blah, 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 blah. WordPress, blah, 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 blah. Okay, of course, you have to edit all the content. And this is the second one. This is the third one. No, you can always edit it after you have generated. Okay, let's go to the second one. I purposely choose what I call short content generator so that we don't have to spend so much time in this. The second one is a business idea pitch. So I've actually copied this one from their website and put it into their input section. Here they allow 150 characters. And as usual, you can choose one variant, two variant, or three variant. Maybe we choose two variant this time. And just press this button, right for me. Because of GPT-3, okay, maybe we write too fast, no output. Looks like you beat AI this time. Sometimes this happens. Let's write again. Hopefully this time you come up with good content. Here we are trying to write some business speech, Okay, this is it. This is the one. There's nothing worse than spending hours on a blog post and coming up with even better idea only to have to scrap it the whole thing and start again. Writers solve this problem by generating high quality content in just few seconds and at a fraction of the cost. Thousands of content writers, marketers, entrepreneurs are already using our product and have rated this 4.8/over 5 plus all review. So you can see that, we use the content over the input and generate this pitch. Okay, quite good. Last one, we want to do profile bio. This is the bio of the founder actually, Abi Godara. Let's go to the profile bio here. Copy and paste here. And they allow 125 input, 125 characters. So for best result, we try to give maximum input. So let's start. I have chosen actually 3 variant. Okay, 3 variant. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So a very short bio. I help entrepreneurs and startups scale their business with my expertise in business consulting, venture capital, and product management. So actually, I rewrite the whole thing here and then I will give you a business profile bio. The most important decision in life are those ones you take. This one quite unique. Okay. That one, Abi started a company that is revolutionizing the way people eat, sleep, and move. I think this is wrong. Okay. Maybe we just try one more and see what it says. For me. So as usual, all AI writers have this problem. Sometimes they actually give you some output that is not relevant. Okay, so we have generated 2 variants. I'm a venture capitalist and entrepreneur. I have experience building scalable products and managing teams. I love to help founders build the future. This one quite nice. Okay, this is how we do short form content in this Rytr. So this is okay. We will go to the second method, how to write long form content using Rytr. Basically, you're talking about blog posts, content, articles, whatever, which is a bit long, maybe 1,000 words or maybe 500 words and above. Let's go to the how to write long form, blog form article. Okay, so in this in my script, I have explained earlier. They have actually 20 case study, 20 use cases, or you call it templates, that is here, here, and they are actually going to introduce more use cases as time goes by. And the tone is actually a lot, 20 tones, which normally if you are a normal writer, depend on what you write, so sometimes you want to write some funny content, you can use funny tone. Okay. Languages, they have actually increased the number of languages to 23. So these are the major languages they have done, even in Thai, Vietnamese as well. So there are two methods of using the template to write long form article in Rytr. So these are the two. First one is the blog article ideas and outline. And the second one is blog article intro and content. So basically the first one is to give you some titles and idea and the outline. And the second use case is actually write an introduction, a paragraph, and the content. So we'll start writing. And before we start writing, I want to introduce to you there are 5 superpower AI writing helpers or maybe assistant in their system. First one is called expand, second one is shorten, third one is rephrase, fourth one is append, fifth one is paragraph. Briefly, I will explain what it do. So expand, basically you insert a few words to make the sentences longer. Shorten is a reverse, reduce the word length to make it more clear and succinct. And the third one, rephrase, basically make the whole paragraph or sentences sound it to make it sound different. Sometimes you find that this might not sound so good. You want to make it different. Append is actually add some few words at the end of a sentence to complete the context or complete the sentence. Sometimes the sentence can be like hanging in the air, So, and the last one, and this paragraph AI couple, this is the most important and also the most useful function in this Rytr. We actually write you full paragraph. Okay. So, and there are some limitation on these features, the super AI writing features. The most obvious one is actually the minimum character they need to have some context is actually 30 characters. And you cannot choose more than 300 characters. So if you are outside the range, the AI couldn't write for you. And basically, I think it's because of the restriction by this OpenAI, the provider of the AI writing API. So let's go into detail how to write this. Okay, let's go here. As I say, these are the two use cases we are going to use. First one, okay. First, you need to give them some keywords. For example, here they say email marketing for startup, and the maximum number of characters is 50. Okay. So for the purpose, we just choose a title, how to be productive at work. Okay, this is about 20 characters. And the process is very simple. The moment you press write for me, the button, the orange button here, they will give you the idea of article idea, I mean the title, and also the outline, the subtopic or section you call it, or maybe we call it a header, second header level 2 or header level 3. So for the demo, I've just did 3 variants, and I just press here for me, and it take less than 30 seconds to give you some output. Okay, so let's see. 2, 3, yeah, actually it's separated by a dash. So if you are not happy, you can always undo and then press write for me again to generate more content. Okay, these are some of the what I call ideas, topics, titles that related to how to be productive at work. Like this one, how to become productive employee in the workplace. This one is your office environment make you unproductive. 3 simple way to be productive. So we can always choose any one of them to continue writing. Okay, so maybe we just write another one. Just write another 3 more variants. Try for me. And wait for a few seconds. They will continue to give you hopefully some good result. Okay, how to boost your productivity at work. This is the last one. Okay, 7 ways to be more productive at work. how to stay productive at work when you feel annoyed. So it's actually up to you which one you want to choose. Maybe this one looks nice to me. We continue to write from here. So you can say this is the H1 tag. This is title, article, idea title, and the outline. And what are the content you are supposed to write. And this is the H2 tag or the H1 tag here. So to write in long form content in Rytr is quite simple. Just highlight the text and press one of these five AI writers, helpers. It will continue to give you the output. So bear in mind that minimum character is 30 characters, maximum is 300. So this is the limitation. If you do anything outside the range, the AI writer could not write for you. Okay, for example, let's say, for example, we just put less than 18. No, the red color is here. So you want to write anything, you can't. So you must have 30. This is to make sure that the AI have some context to write. And they have a maximum of 300. Okay, so for title here is 38. So it's good for us. Maybe we just continue to write. Paragraph. It will give you a full sentences or maybe a full paragraph. Okay. Productivity is not just about getting done in a day. So you explain what is productivity. I think this is quite good. And the second one, figuring out what time of the day is more productive for you. This is another section topic. Okay. For the sake of writing, I will just do highlight and make sure that you press a paragraph button. Of course, you can press other button, but now we want to write paragraph first. Click paragraph. Okay, this output doesn't look good. Just undo and press again to give us some output. Yes, this paragraph looks good. Best time of the day, productive. Okay, this is good. And everyone has their own unique circadian rhythm. Actually, I do not know what is the meaning of circadian. Maybe I will check it out later. Okay, we can do some editing here, but for the sake of a demo, I just don't do any editing first. Just do a rough paragraph first. The next section topic, header will be this paragraph, this text. Learn how to plan your day, not schedule it. So we just press here, write a full paragraph on the selected text. It's pretty fast, like all AI writers that using GPT-3. It give you good content, fast speed, and sometimes it give you the paragraph is 3-4 paragraph, depend on how long it is. So sometimes one paragraph, sometimes 2 paragraph. Okay, this output looks good. Then we can continue another subtopic. Use the Pomodoro technique for increased focus and efficiency. As usual, highlight the text and click paragraph. You can see that the 3 dot is dancing. Okay, they actually explain what is the Pomodoro techniques, breaking down all the large tasks into 25-minute intervals. Okay, so as usual, if you want to, let's say for this sentence, you want to shorten it or expand it, you can do it. Maybe I just demo to you. Okay, the idea is very simple. Okay, for example here, 183 characters. Just now we highlight this 300 character is more than that, so you can't do anything. So we just choose this one. We expand it, make it more word. AI is writing. New writing. Okay, anytime it will come out now. Sometimes we go into their database and check, nothing's come up. Okay, so it's already come out. So you can see the power of this 5 superpower of this AI helpers. So let's continue the fourth subsection or headers. Read the feature that help you increase your productivity. Just press paragraph. Okay, there are many features that can be followed into increase productivity. They vary from person to person. This paragraph is quite nice. Without wasting time, I'll just finish it, the whole thing, then we can explain further on the features. Establish a work routine that works best for you. This two paragraph, few sentences, quite short, but it's quite good. No problem. Just do the last one. Eliminate distraction from your workstation and environment. Just press paragraph. Okay, finish. So you can see that, within the, I don't know how many minutes that we have done. Let's see how many characters. Actually, more than 1,300 words. But of course, it's include the other whatever on top of here. So it's about maybe 800 to 900 words that we have written. So this is how we write the long form content using Rytr. And you can use these 5 AI helpers: expand, shorten, rephrase, append, paragraph. And the most powerful AI helper is the paragraph. So let's say we want to shorten these sentences. So bear in mind that maximum is 300 characters. Maybe we just choose less characters. This is 268. We just shorten it. Okay, so it's already shortened. Become 185 words. 185 characters. So you can use the the 5 AI helpers to enhance your editing. How to expand your sentences, shorten your sentences, rephrase your sentences, append paragraph. Bear in mind the most powerful features is actually the paragraph features. Okay, so I have done the first one using the blog article idea and outline. Now we do the second one using the second use case here. Okay, basically it's quite the same as the previous method, like highlighting this and then use paragraph. But for the sake of some people, they will just want to have a blog article intro. They just write a topic here and they can actually produce a results. Okay, for example, I just use back this one, copy. Okay, eliminate distraction from your workstation and environment. Maybe we just choose 2 variants. You can just write for me. It's pretty simple. You can actually, it's not only for introduction, it's actually for content, section topic. You want to write some paragraph. Okay, so this is the introduction. This is the introduction. In this day and age, all these things. And the reduce number of distraction, this is the method. So if you don't like this, you can always rewrite or undo the whole thing. So this is how we use the use case or maybe the templates in the system, in the Rytr system, to write our long form content. And this is not the best. I would say not to say not the best. You have what they call the third method. And this is called how to write freestyle without even using command inside the free flow long form editor in Rytr. And this is the highlight of today's session that I'm going to tell you. So let's say, okay, let's go to that now. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, over here, I need to explain a little bit on this free flow freestyle writing. And as you know, this could be the next best thing after ShortlyAI, because ShortlyAI has been acquired by Conversion and the price of the application has gone up almost double. So I find that this new AI writer called Rytr, it can do almost everything ShortlyAI is doing, but they also have some features that ShortlyAI does not have. So of course, there are also something that it cannot do from the Shortly, cannot do as what Shortly do. So let me explain why did it some of the feature that is better than ShortlyAI. Number one, it has a clean, long form editor with formatting. You don't see this formatting in ShortlyAI. Okay. And these are the what I call conventional kind of formatting features: bold, italic, underline, highlight, header 1, 2, 3, bullet list, order list, as well as a block code. Highlight is like something like this. Just highlight it. Okay. Then this is clear the formatting. This is select all. You select everything. You just click one more time. Okay. Then this is the text alignment. Left, center, right. This is align justified. So maybe they can add in more formatting features in future. So number two, they have a built-in plagiarism checker powered by Copyscape, and this is free to use inside the editor, so you don't have to pay extra to connect to their API. So this is very useful. And the last one is actually the better document workflow. What I mean by better document workflow is like this. You can use three methods to write in Rytr. First method is actually using short form content, as I explained earlier in the beginning. There are 20 use cases. The long form content using these two features: blog article, idea and outline, and the blog article intro outline. This is the first one, and the second one. And in between, you have this, you can use editing. You can edit the text using the 5 powerful editing features. I call it 5 superpower AI writing helper. They will appear on the ribbon when you highlight the selected text. So this is, I highlighted the text, and this is the ribbon, and this is the features. So bear in mind, there are some limitation on the word that you must use. 30 character maximum, minimum is 30 character, 300 is maximum. And the third method to write in Rytr is this method: write freestyle without even using any command. So this is the best feature in this Rytr, and I can show you the example now. And I would say that this feature is almost as good as ShortlyAI, and I have tried it and used it, and there are actually more things that I can do with it, but we have not tried it. So hopefully more people will use it, and we can actually make it better for the output. So this screen, you will see that how to write using freestyle in AI Rytr. This command is very familiar for those who use ShortlyAI. / command instruct. First, you put the instruct command in the bracket. You tell the AI what to write. Basically tell Shortly what to write. And to be frank, this is one of the best features in ShortlyAI. But apparently, in this Rytr, you don't have to use this command. You don't have to put extra wording like / instruct, open bracket, instruction, close bracket in this Rytr. Just write the sentence, or you call it the instruction, and let AI to write it itself. There's no need to use the command. Let me show you. This is the one. Please provide me with some blog title for the topics, email marketing for coaches. You don't have to add in / instruct command. Let's do it. Press the paragraph and we'll give you some output. Okay, so the output is here. Blog article, blog title, how to grow your business with email marketing strategy for small businesses. What are the best practices in email marketing? So if you're not enough, you want more, you just repeat and again. Let's do again. Yeah, you come up with some of the topics, what they call blog title. Of course, you can use this blog idea, article idea as well if you want to, but for the sake of doing free flow, I just write this in this way. So, and the second one is try an answer for how to start an online Shopify business. As usual, highlight the text, press the paragraph upper, it will give you an answer. The output hopefully is good. So this is a short sentences. Maybe we just undo and maybe make it longer. See maybe they can give us longer output. Okay, this is just explaining the output. Maybe it's not good. Just try again. The good thing about AI Writer is you can always ask them to regenerate. Okay, this one looks better. Starting an online business is a very good idea. You want to e-commerce. So here are some steps to start online business. The first one, create a store. Okay. So you can always expand the ideas when you go by or add in your own idea. So let's try the next instruction or so-called task. Headline. Okay, headlines actually is also called article idea or H1 text. So let's try this and see how the output is like. Headline idea for how to be productive. Okay, so this one is not exactly the headline. Maybe we just try again. Paragraph. Okay, so this is the headline. The art of being productive at work. How to productive in your day-to-day output. You want to do more? Just do one more time. You will come up with some ideas. Yes, 10 ways to be productive. So as usual, you can actually use this one, this use case or template. If you want to write freestyle, you just give whatever in task or instruction. Okay, for conclusion, write a conclusion on how to be productive. Let's see what it gives. This is not what we want. Paragraph. I hope we can write a paragraph. Okay, this is the 2 paragraph. Okay, looks good. Without wasting any time, we go further. We have a few more to go, so many. You can ask him to write an article brief, either using this so-called instruction or maybe this. Maybe we try this. Write an article brief about how to be productive. You're writing at the background. Okay, that's good. Then the last one will be write a video hook for how to be productive. Okay, that's quite good as well. So there are so many of these. Maybe we just jump to this one. paragraph. No, write a conversation between a politician and so see what it writes. In the background. Okay, the following is a story about a politician and voter discussing the need of COVID-19 vaccine. You can make me to get the vaccine. Yes, I can actually what I'm telling you. So this is quite nice. So let's do the third one, the letter. Write a letter to father ask about wanting to buy a new computer. Just a letter to dad about wanting to a new computer. Dear dad, I'm writing this letter because I want to buy a new computer. I really hope that you will get me one. Blah blah blah. So very short one. Okay, so let's do the last this one. Explain why we must wear a mask during pandemic. Just press the paragraph up. Yes, the use of mask during pandemic is essential to protect ourselves from infection. Blah blah blah. Okay, that's good. So the outline, actually we can use this to do the outline. But then for the sake of doing the freestyle writing, just write it here. Okay, so outline. So this is the introduction. These are the outline. Quite good. Okay, so the last one, we can actually give you an answer if you have any question. Let me ask why the earth is round. The earth is round because the centrifugal force generated by its rotation. The force causes things to move toward from the center and flatten the I'm not too sure whether this is the right answer. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is how we use a writer to do freestyle writing. So bear in mind that no, you don't have to use this instruction slash command anymore. You just have to write sentence as normal and just ask him to give you the output. So this is how we do. And with this, I think you have some very good idea on the capability of this new AI writer called Rytr, R-Y-T-E-R. It is the ultimate AI writer. I guess so, unless and I hope that they will improve on all these features to give us a better experience in AI writing. So before we end our session here, I would like to talk about their pricing. In Rytr, there are only one pricing, So very simple, only one, sweet and simple. You can subscribe to the unlimited plan. I mean unlimited characters means unlimited words lah, generation. So their pricing is here. This is the normal pricing, $29 per month or $290 per year. So if you use our affiliate link and the coupon code, download Silo, you get 25% discount. And after discount, you get monthly will be 21.75, or you pay yearly, will be about to be $18.13 per month. And they have come up with additional team member features. So, but you must have the main account first. Then you add the team members. The team members also got unlimited characters. And the original price is $19 per month or $190 per year. But after discount, it will be 14.25 or 11.88 per month. So bear in mind that remember to use our affiliate link and also the download Silo coupon code. So let's compare with Shortly AI pricing. This is the new pricing of Shortly AI. $79 per month or $828 per year, which work out to be $69 paid annually. Unfortunately, there has never been any coupon available in ShortlyAI. And after the takeover by conversion, they have actually increased the price to 79 to or 69. So basically, this is a very huge jump. So if you are about to buy shortly, but you are hesitant to buy, you can actually consider Rytr. So it's so much cheaper with our coupon code. Instead of paying 69 or 79 per month, you only pay 21 or $18 per month. Let's look at Copy AI. Copy AI is also very simple pricing, $49 per month or $42 per year, which will got to be $35 per month. So this is our affiliate link, and using our download stylo code, you got 40% discount, and it works out to be $29 per month, or you pay yearly, you got $21 per month. Slightly more expensive than Rytr, but of course, Copy AI is a very established Copy AI writer. AI writer in the market. They are first, I think one of the first to the market. And our big brothers, or so-called big boss, Conversion AI Pro Unlimited, and they are the leading AI writer in the market. And because they have a lot of users, and also they are they have a lot of features after taking over headlines and also Shortly AI. And the current pricing for one user is €1.09 per month. For additional team member is $25 per month. As usual, you can actually get it from our affiliate link, but unfortunately, there is no coupon code at the present moment. So the choice is yours. Conversion AI, Copy AI, Shortly AI, or the new AI writer called Rytr. So have a look, and you can always buy through our link and get the discount 25% using a download silo as our code. So with this, I would end our session here. And don't forget that we have a live interview tonight in a webinar that we organized at 10 p.m. GMT plus 8 in our group. And you can actually talk to our founder here, Mr. Abir Godara, about Rytr AI writing assistant. So thank you for being with me, and hopefully that you attend tonight's record webinar. Bye bye.